Where's the big one?
Where?
That one.
What, this one?
Yeah.
Right, can come out then. Don't want to pull these lawn out of there as well.
Magtatanim po tayo ng gulay, guys. Kasi umulan kahapon. Hi, Kitty! Kitty! Hello, Kitty! Where's the chicken? Where are the chooks? Poor little thing.
I've been thinking about taking everything out off the ground in here and getting in there with the rotary hoe and all that up.
Yeah.
They'll dig holes in it, but it'll help break down all that stuff.
Tatanggalin natin itong alugbati. Ito oh. Kasi no good na ito eh. Taniman natin ng pechay. Winter na po kasi dito. Ayaw nila ng malamig. Sobrang lamig. Ito ang itatanim natin, guys. Green pak choy. Pechay. Alam nyo, madalas kinakain ng ano to eh. Uod. Gustong gusto nila to. Oy! Kruk, 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 kruk. Come on! Oy! What is that? Nagtakbuhan, natakot. Hey! Come back! Ano kayang kinatatakutan nito? Nagtakbuhan. Alam ko na. Ikaw, Kitty? Kitty, leave them alone, Kit. Ito na po ang ating pechay. Natanim na po natin. Kahit basta, kailangan po diligan natin. Mayang konti. Magtatanim po tayo ng brown onion, guys. Katatanim ko lang ng pechay doon sa kabilang tab. Kinalkal ng manok. Pamanok talaga. Napakaliliit nila. Kailangan isa-isahin natin to. Yan. Go inside. Go inside. Go inside. Kruk, 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 kruk. Nako, yung aking pechay ay kinain ng manok. Mustasa pala to. Kinain ng manok. O, huwag mong kainin yung aking malunggay. Ang kinakain nila, oh.